Welcome to our channel. Let's start what is the sentence, basic element of the sentence and transformation of sentence. Let us know what is the types of sentence. Types of sentence completely it is three. One is simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. I mean simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. So for each and every sentence we have some basic element, basic elements. So let us know what is the basic element. Actually a sentence is in two kinds, that is in subject and predicate, two parts like now kinds, two parts, two parts. One is subject, second one is predicate. Sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject means whom we are talking, predicate means verb plus object. So if you see the first example, Lata writes a letter. Here subject is Lata. What she is doing? Writing a letter. I mean writes a letter. So and second example, Venu plays cricket. What Venu is subject, plays cricket is predicate. That's called basic element in every sentence. Let us know one more basic thing, that is praise. A praise, it is a group of words. It doesn't have subject and predicate. It gives some meaning of sentence but not complete. If you see example, in the east, in the west, it is in three words, but it's what happened in the east and west, we are some more need to complete that sentence. If you see the full sentence like the sun rises in the east, the sun set in the west. So like praise is the group of words, it doesn't have subject and predicate of its own, and it doesn't give complete meaning of the. Then come to clause. It is a group of words, it has subject and predicate of its own, and it gives complete meaning of the sentence. So clause like a praise, group of words, but a subject and predicate of its own, and it gives complete meaning of the sentence. These qualities is there, we have to call that clause. For example, I saw you, complete meaning. He helped them, complete meaning. Then that is called clause, and clause again divided into two. That is types of clause. Clause two kinds. One is subordinate clause. Second one is main clause. Subordinate clause means dependent clause, and main clause means independent clause. So subordinate clause depend on main clause to complete its meaning. As he was rich, he bought a car. If you work hard, you can get a job. Like it is the difference between the subordinate clause and main clause. To complete its meaning, subordinate clause depend on main clause. Next, the first sentence, simple sentence. Simple sentence with only one main clause and a phrase is called a simple sentence. Mean a phrase plus a main clause equal to simple sentence. For example, I saw a beautiful girl. I saw a beautiful girl. And because of richness, he bought a car. Because of his richness, he bought a car. Here, a beautiful girl is adding something else about the person. And second example, because of his richness, that is praise. What he did, he bought a car, is the main clause. Second one, complex sentence. A sentence with one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses are called complex sentence. Example, where there is a will, there is a way. Though he is rich, he is greedy. So here the word where and though is the subordinate conjunctions. So subordinate conjunctions we will use to combine the two sentences in complex sentence. Then let us see what is the subordinate conjunctions. If, unless, though, although, even though, since, because, before, after, in case, as, that, till, as soon as, who, where, when, while, how, as though, so that, until, as long as, whoever, wherever, whenever, why, etc. These are the subordinate conjunctions. The third sentence, compound sentence. Compound sentence contains two main clauses connected by a coordinating conjunction. Here, compound sentence contains two main clauses but connected with a coordinate conjunction. So, two is the main clauses to give complete meaning of the sentence but connected with coordinate conjunction. Let's see example. She worked hard but failed in the examination. She worked hard but she failed in the examination. You must pay the fee or you will not be given admission. You must pay the fee or you will not be given admission. So here first sentence but, second sentence or called coordinating conjunctions. So let us see what are the coordinate conjunctions we are using in compound sentence. Coordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunctions like and, nor, still, otherwise, as well as, but, so, at, therefore, besides, or, and so, else, hence, and then. These are the coordinate conjunctions we have to use in compound sentence. Let us see some models while using in simple, complex, compound sentences. For example, in simple sentence, adjective plus noun, and complex, who, which, that, where, what we have to use, and a compound sentence and but we have to use. For example, she likes a tall boy. Complex sentence, she likes a boy who is tall. In compound, she likes a boy and is tall. Like some of the model here he gave. Let us see according to the structure, where always complex means one subordinate clause, one main clause. Compound means two main clauses connected by coordinate conjunctions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.